Hello students, good morning to all of you. In class 12 commerce, in accountancy we are studying the chapter accounting for partnership for fundamentals. In the last video we have covered the topic interest on loan taken by the partners from the firm, and also another topic we have covered rent paid to the partners. In today's video we are going to cover the new topic in case of the loss to the firm. What will be the condition if the firm incur the losses, if the firm is not earning profit, what will be the accounting treatments? So first of all we go through this topic. If we see if the firm incur the losses, if the firm incur the losses during the year, partners will neither be allowed to any interest on capital, any salary, and also there is a no profit to distribute. And in case the no profit and loss appropriation account will be prepared, and profit will be directly distributed from the profit and loss account. What is the line says that students, you know that the business is, if the business is not earning profit, what will be the condition? In that condition there will be no sufficient profit to distribute any interest on capital, any salary or any commission or any type of the distribution will not be possible due to the firm has incurred the losses. In that cases there is a no need to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, because the profit and loss appropriation account is basically mainly prepared for the distribution of the profit. If the firm has the no profit, so how and what is the mean to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account? So the loss will be directly distributed from the profit and loss account. So let's so in that cases, if the firm has incurred the losses, in that situation there is a no sufficient profit to distribute, so there is a no need to prepare the profit and loss appropriation accounts. So by example we are try to understand the situation and what will be the situation if the firm has incurred the losses. So take the one illustration. So I am going to take the illustration number 19. So read the questions. Question number 19, illustration number 19. So I am going to take the illustration number 19 for your clarification. So first of all read the illustration. Mr. A and B are the partners in the firm. On 1st April 2018, their capital were 3 lakhs and 2 lakh respectively. On 1st October 2018, A granted a loan of 50,000 to the firm on 1st October. Date should be always taken into consideration. If the date is mentioned, that there is a hidden concept behind that. Why is the date is given? So date is given for the calculation of the interest loan, and B had allowed the firms to use his property for the business for the monthly rent of 10,000, and the partners did provide that the interest on capital will be allowed at the rate of 9% per annum, and B is to be allowed the annual salary of rupees 1 lakh. The firm incurred the losses of 28,500 for the year ended 31st March 2019 before any adjustment is made according to the partnership deed. अभी कोई एडजस्टमेंट नहीं किया गया और फर्म ने इनकर कर दिया लॉसेस. फर्म के पास लॉसेस क्या है? 28,500 के लॉसेस हैं. अभी इन्होंने जो पार्टनरशिप डीड में डिसाइड कर रखा है, क्या डिसाइड कर रखा है कि बी इज़ अलाउड टू कि interest on capital is to be provided. Interest on capital is to be provided at the rate of 9% per annum, and B is to be allowed the annual salary of ₹1 lakh. कि भाई साहब अभी आपने प्रॉफिट तो आपके पास है नहीं, तो हाउ यू विल बी एबल टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दैट. So in that case the profit will be profit is not sufficient, the firm has already incurred the losses. In that situation there is not possibility to distribute the interest on capital, and any salary cannot be given to the B. So let's see what is the treatment. So treatment is here. So first of all, if you know very well that if there is a loss, in the profit and loss account it will be written in the debit side. So we have written here in the 28,500, because the rent is treated as the charges, because the firm has whether the firm has incurring the losses or the profit, the rent is to be provided to the for the property used by the firm. So first of all we will provide the rent to the partner. If there is any rent due, we will provide the 1 lakh, because the 10,000 per month is the rent due to the partner. तो 10,000 इंटू 12 कर देंगे अगर, तो हमें क्या आ जाएगा, 10,000 इंटू 12 करेंगे तो हमें 1,20,000 रुपये का रेंट आ जाएगा, जो कि हमें प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे 1,20,000. एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन एज लोन, बिकॉज फर्म ने ए से लोन लिया, तो लोन इज़ इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन. If the firm has taken any loan from the partners, the loan is compulsory expenses, or you can charges for the firm. They have to pay to the interest on loan to the A loan. So loan is provided here from the 1st October we will calculate. If we calculate from the 1st October, we will get the 6 month. We will provide. If there is there is no rate of interest is to be given, we will take the rate of interest at the rate of 6%. 6% rate will be taken here. So 50,000 पे अगर 6% कैलकुलेट करें और 6 month for the 6 month अक्टूबर से कैलकुलेट करें, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, for the 6 month we will take the interest will come out 1,500. So we will add the debit side of all the debit side, we will get the 1,50,000, and this 1,50,000 will be distributed among the partners A and B. 1,75,000 and 75,000 between the partners, because there is no profit sharing ratio is given in the question. So the loss will also be distributed among the partner equally. So this is the question. अब इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये कि अगर प्रॉफिट भाई है नहीं, तो प्रॉफिट जब है नहीं तो आपको न तो सैलरी मिल सकता है, न तो कमीशन मिल सकता है, न तो कोई भी इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अलाउड होगा, बिकॉज द फर्म हैज़ नॉट इनकर द प्रॉफिट, फर्म हैज़ इनकर द लॉसेस. In that situation, the compulsory expenses will be paid, because the rent is the compulsory expenses, or you can the charges. So we have to pay the rent, and we have to also pay the interest on loan. So that's why these two item will be written in the debit side. So that's two item will be written in the debit side of the profit and loss account, this and this. So this is the treatment if the firm has incurred the losses, so that accounting treatment will be done. Okay students, I hope you got the questions and also understand the illustration very well. I will take the another practical question from your textbook. So okay students.